Namaskar. We are studying subject CPS 3 and CPS 4 curriculum and pedagogic studies school subject English. Now today we are going to start unit number 2 acquisition of second language. Here 2.1 is that language acquisition meaning and concept. So let's see the meaning and concept of language acquisition. Friends, you must have listened the concept language learning म्हणजे भाषेचे अध्ययन. uh, Here we learn the language, how to write, how to speak, etc. Again, here the another concept is that language acquisition. Here acquisition means language ग्रहण करणं. हं? आता both the concepts are looks like a same, but there is a different. So today we will see what is language acquisition, what is the meaning of language acquisition. We will discuss through this video. Then question maybe arose in your mind that what is language acquisition. So let's see, let's understand this concept and the meaning of language acquisition. Before you, there is a diagram. Language acquisition is an involuntary process. Involuntary process means unaichik. Hmm? Though you are uh, voluntarily involved or not, but it is that process we learn involuntarily. Hmm? That is, take an example of Marathi language. How do we learn it? That is involuntary. It means that इच्छा नसताना सुद्धा we are going to learn it because we are going to listen to our parents. That is, so language acquisition is an involuntary process. Second one important thing is that acquiring needs source of natural communication. Here this is very important thing. See, how do we got the environment to learn Marathi language? That was the natural one. It means that we have a natural atmosphere to learn that language. We it means that आपल्याला ती कानावरती ऐकायला मिळाली, आपल्या आजूबाजूला बोलणारे लोक होते आणि त्यांचं ते ग्रहण करून करून त्यांचे ते अक्वायर करून करून आपण काय केलं, लँग्वेज डेव्हलप केली. इट मीन दॅट acquiring needs source of natural communication. That is very important thing in language acquisition. And third one is that language input turns into language intake. This is another very concern, very important thing. Language input turns into language intake. It means that just take an example again, the Marathi language. How do we take input of it? That is naturally. It means that we have too much inputs, and that inputs turn into intake. म्हणजे जे आपल्याला आजूबाजूला इनपुट मिळत गेलं लँग्वेजच्या बाबतीत, त्याचं आपण काय केलं, इनटेक केलं, ते घेत गेलो आपण. जो शब्द कानावरती पडला तो प्रोड्यूस करायला गेलो आपण. सो लँग्वेज इनपुट टर्न्स इंटू लँग्वेज इनटेक. दिस इज अगेन अनदर इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग. देन इट इज डिकोडिंग अँड पार्सिंग ॲबिलिटी. आता त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला लँग्वेज कशी डेव्हलप होऊन गेली, इट इज डिकोडिंग अँड पार्सिंग ॲबिलिटी. जे शब्द मराठीतले कानावरती पडत गेले त्यांना आपण काय करत गेलो, डिकोडिंग करत गेलो. पार्सिंग इट मीन्स दॅट ॲनालाइज, आपण त्यांचं विश्लेषण सुद्धा करत गेलो. दॅट इट मीन्स दॅट वी डेव्हलप द ॲबिलिटी ऑफ डिकोडिंग अँड पार्सिंग ॲबिलिटी. सो in language acquisition, it is an involuntary process. It needs natural communication or natural atmosphere to acquire it. Language whatever language inputs we got, that turns into language intake, and that language input, language intakes are we are going to decoding, and we are going to parsing, we are going to analyze them, and that type of ability we develop, and then we are going to acquire the language. So these are the four things are very important in language acquisition. Now let's again elaborate each one. See, language acquisition is an involuntary process. We say how it is involuntary process. See, children acquire language without learning the grammatical rules. See, just take an again example of Marathi language. मराठी लँग्वेज आपण कशी शिकलो, आपल्याला कधीच अगोदर ग्रामर शिकवलं नाही. आपण अगोदर भाषा ऐकत गेलो आणि ती बोलायला लागलो. इट मीन्स दॅट विदाउट लर्निंग द ग्रॅमॅटिकल रूल्स. सो चिल्ड्रन acquire language without learning the grammatical rules. This is very important thing. And without memorization of a word. आणि तसंच मराठी भाषा शिकत असताना आपण कधीच शब्द असं पाठांतर केलं नाही. अरे याला पाणीच म्हणता, हा पाणी शब्द मला आठवण ठेवू द्या, मेमोराईज करू द्या. नेवर. सो इट मीन्स दॅट विदाउट मेमोरायझेशन ऑफ ए वर्ड the children learn the language or acquire the language. This is, it means that it is involuntary process. So no need to aware of the learning process. Here again it is involuntary in the sense we do not aware, we do not need to aware how the learning process is going to help. म्हणजे आपण शिकत आहोत असं आपल्याला कधीच माहीत नसतं. Then we are going to acquire it by involuntarily. So it means that language acquisition is an involuntary process because children acquire language without learning the grammatical rules, without memorization of the words. So it is, they do not need to aware of the learning process. That is, language is an language acquisition is an involuntary process. Let's see the acquiring needs source of natural communication. See, learners need to analyze speech. See, it means that here acquiring needs source of natural communication. Learners need to analyze speech whatever. It means that, see, the take the example of Marathi language again. When we are in a childhood, we listen so many words, we analyze that words. It means that suppose somebody is called a water, then we listen, water, water means पाणी, आपण ते लक्षात ठेवतो and we analyze that speech. अरे पाणी जर पाहिजे असेल तर हा वॉटर बोलला इंग्रजीमध्ये, देन इट मीन्स दॅट हा पाणीला बोलला म्हणजे हे याला पाणी म्हणतात. देन लर्नर्स नीड टू अनालाइज स्पीच. जे त्यांच्यासमोर बोललं जातं ते त्यांचं अनालाइज करतात. सो सो एम्फसिस इज ऑन टेक्स्ट अँड नॉट ऑन इट्स फॉर्म ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. तो कसं बोलला, काय बोलला, कसं बोलला याला महत्त्व नाही, बट तो काय बोलला ह्याच्यावरती दॅट एम्फसिस इज गिवन. सो emphasis is on a text and not on its form of communication. So speakers are concerned not with the form of their utterances but with the messages they are conveying and understanding. So here in language acquisition, what is important, the message is important. Hmm? The message is important, not the form of the language is important. म्हणजे तो व्यक्ती कसं बोलला याला महत्त्व आपण लँग्वेज ॲक्वायरिंग मध्ये देत नाही, तर मेसेज काय दिला, तो अंडरस्टँडिंग झालं का, कम्युनिकेशन झालं का, ह्याला महत्त्व देतो. देन दॅट लँग्वेज ॲक्वायरिंग is going to develop a natural communication. So acquiring needs source of natural communication through this situation. So let's see the language inputs turn into language intakes. Here it is transferred from short to long term memory. See, language input turns into language intake in the sense, अगेन टेक एन एक्झाम्पल ऑफ मराठी लँग्वेज. जेव्हा आपण काही शब्द कानावरती ऐकतो, आता जसं मी मागे एक उदाहरण दिलं की लहान असताना पाणी पाहिजे का, पाणी म्हणजे काय, मग तो मूल लक्षात ठेवतो, अरे याला पाणी म्हणतात, मग तो पुढच्या वेळेस ते शब्द त्याप्रमाणे पुटपुटायला लागतो. सो म्हणजेच काय, त्याच्यात ते शॉर्ट टर्म मेमरीतनं ते लॉंग टर्म मेमरीमध्ये ते शब्द जातात आणि हळूहळू त्याची व्होकॅब्युलरी ही डेव्हलप होत जाते. सो लँग्वेज इनपुट टर्न्स इंटू लँग्वेज इंटेक आणि हळूहळू तो लँग्वेज इंटेक ग्रहण करत जातो आणि त्याची लँग्वेज ही विकसित होत जाते. सो इट इज डिकोडिंग अँड पार्सिंग ॲबिलिटी. सो विदाउट दिस डिकोडिंग अँड पार्सिंग ॲबिलिटीज लँग्वेज ॲक्वायजिशन मे नॉट टेक प्लेस. म्हणजे जोपर्यंत त्या शब्दांना तो डिकोड करत नाही, अर्थ देत नाही, पार्सिंग म्हणजे ॲनालाइज करत नाही, ॲनालिसिस करत नाही, तोपर्यंत त्याची लँग्वेज डेव्हलप होत नाही. सो विदाउट दिस डिकोडिंग अँड पार्सिंग ॲबिलिटीज लँग्वेज ॲक्वायजिशन मे नॉट टेक प्लेस. So these are so here my question was that what is language acquisition? Language acquisition is an involuntary process because children acquire language without learning the grammar, without memorizing. So it is acquiring, it needs a natural atmosphere for communication to acquire the language. So language input turns into language intake. So whatever the words we listen, they are in short term memory, and afterward they gone to the long term memory. So whatever we listen, we are going to decoding, and we are going to analyze, parsing, and we are going to develop that ability. So all this process is called as a language acquisition. Do you understand? Here my topic was that language acquisition, meaning of language acquisition, and concept of language acquisition. So it is learned informally without a classroom, textbook, or teacher. So one thing is very important here is that we do not need, when we are going to acquire language, it means that when we are going to language acquisition, we do not need a classroom or textbook or teacher. It is a natural or spontaneous learning. So language acquisition is held in a natural and spontaneous learning process. It to learn it, we do not need a classroom, textbook, or teacher. So that is very important thing. So here today we have seen what is language acquisition and its meaning and its concept. So whatever I have present before you, I have took some references from these books, you and from this website. You also visit the website, and you should learn, read these books to take in detail about the concept. Thank you very much.